LGBTQ culture in select Malayalam films.
Malayalam film industry has witnessed tremendous change from the past years. Films serve as a strong communication medium. Films that have a theme of queerness tend to stand out from the cliche themes like heterosexual love, patriarchy, hegemony, misogyny, crime, and so on. Queerness was and still considered as an abnormal thing by many people in our society. They consider queer people as someone who should be treated properly and given counseling. This thesis focuses on to Malayalam movies which portrays the idea of queerness.
Queer theory is the rethinking of the ideas about sex, sexuality, and gender that exist in the society. One's thoughts about sex, sexuality, and gender are socially constructed, but queer theory questions the normal ideas of society about sex and gender identity. LGBTQ, though legalized in India, it is still considered as a taboo and seen as a social evil in our country. A homosexual person does not get any respect from the society and even from their own family. And Pankuttigal, directed by Mohan, is the first film which has portrayed queerness in Malayalam film industry, followed by Padmanajan's Deshanakli Kariyarilla, then Chandavuttu, then Sancharam, Mumbai Police, and more. This research paper provides insight to how Malayalam movies have changed and how sensibly they take a much needed topic into an art like film. This thesis entitled LGBTQ Culture in Select Malayalam Films portrays the study of two films which depicts the theme of queerness. Two films cited for the study are Sancharam and Muthon. Sancharam is a feature film and a real life story directed by Liji J. Pulappalli. It is one amongst the very few films which attempt to approach the LGBTQ theme with compassion. Suhasini Naik plays the role of Kiran, Shruti Menon plays the role of Delilah, KPC Lalitha as Amma and Valsala Menon as Delilah's grandmother, and Shyam Seethal as Rajan. These are the leading roles in the film. It portrays story of two women named Kiran and Delilah. Kiran comes to Delilah's village, shifting from her village, and Kiran is the first company of Delilah. They become good friends after the first meeting onwards. With the growth of time, the relationship also becomes so deep. There is a scene in the movie when they were in school, a boy named Rajan, who had a crush on Delilah, asked Kiran to write letters to Delilah on behalf of whom. Kiran does as it is an opportunity to express her love towards Delilah without attracting society's disapproval. One day in school, impressed by Kiran's writing, a teacher asked her, "How can someone of your age know of the depths of love?" And for this question, Kiran's answer was Delilah. And there is another scene in the film in which Kiran dreams of Delilah dancing in a darkened room. And when she wakes up from her dream in a cold sweat, she realizes that her affection for Delilah is more than just friendship. Delilah's mother locked up her in the room when she come to know about relationship between Kiran and Delilah. And in that scene, she asks her, "You need a man to survive, don't you know that?" And for this, Delilah's reply was, "You have run the house and farm alone, Amma." And Amma's reply was, "Yes, but I was married and that makes me respectable." This scene shows how the society has set up the idea of only man and woman are meant to be together and no same gender is allowed to leave each other, and it is seemed as unnatural. Towards the end of the film, Delilah decides to get married due to the continuous pressure from her family, and her wedding proceeds as planned. Heartbroken Kiran walks to a cliff where they used to visit together. At the same time, Delilah was about to take her wedding vow, but she stops and runs out of the church and yells Kiran's name. Kiran looks her behind, but she doesn't see anyone. She reaches for a cocoon and reaches to it, but she slips on the edge. But she is able to stop the fall and pull herself up. As she lays on her back, she sees a blue butterfly flying above her. The movie ends there, open ended, leaving the audience to decide the future of the characters. There are some lives we can't reach, some we fall down when they try to reach, but it will fly to us once, and that's the beauty of life. Like a worm becoming a beautiful butterfly, Kiran cuts off her hair that was grown and tied against her desire. Next movie is Muthon. Muthon is a piece of art with raw, unfiltered emotions. One won't come across films like Muthon very often. Muthon, meaning the elder son, is a Malayalam movie written and directed by Edu Mohandas and released in 2019, starring Nivin Poli, Roshan Matthew, and Sanjana Deepu. It is a tragic story portraying the lives of those who loved beyond the primitive construct of this society. The story portrays the journey of a young girl, Mulla, to find her elder brother Akbar. But I feel it's more of the story of Amir and the void he left behind. In the film, Amir and Akbar share a unique and extraordinary love. Amir is a deaf and mute man who falls in love with Akbar. Their love is extremely sensitive and gentle. There is a scene in the movie when Akbar stands in front of the mirror and smiles at his reflection. And there we can see a look of happiness and contentment in his eyes. And this is right before he goes to Amir's house. Their love is portrayed through unsaid words. Amir expresses everything through his silence rather gracefully. For a man born mute, it is a silence that does the talking, and hence for Amir, his silence is the biggest voice. We can see a transition in Akbar's character after he moved from his homeland Lakshadweep to Kamathipuram in Mumbai. Akbar became a gangster in Kamathipuram. Amir used to tell Akbar about the beauty of Mumbai using sign languages and gestures. The love between Akbar and Amir is portrayed as an extremely vivid manner, as they both swim in the ocean and share volumes about how they feel each other. And Akbar ended up in the wrong place, as Amir spoke about. The movie is open ended, which is left for the audience to decide. Muthon is a mirror of the society we live in, the grey society that demands us to live in their way. At the end, we ask ourselves if we are that person who we want ourselves to be, or something that the society wants us to be. Even though social public consciousness cannot accept, the hope of Malayalam cinema is in Muthon, who overcame the ridicules of fake morals, and a group of audience accepted this movie with a whole heart. Muthon, that's a new hope, and it is undoubtedly a piece of art with raw, unfiltered emotions. Each scene painted to bring out the beauty of love, brutality of loss, and journey in search. Changes in the portrayal of LGBTQ then and now. There are films like Sanjaram, Deshanakli Karyarilla, Alurikam, and more which depicts the idea of queerness sensibly. But there are films which depicted LGBTQ communities as too wrong or else absent. One such film was Chandwood, released in 2005 and directed by Lal Jose, starring Dilip and Gobika. Movie is about a man named Radhakrishnan, but he is called by the name Radha. This character is displaying his effeminate characteristics because he was raised by his grandmother like a girl. Film portrays the torture he has been facing from the society for being dressed like a girl. He was forced to leave his homeland because he did not fit into the stereotypes of the society. Hero comes back after having completed his period of exile when he makes a painful exploration and discovery of his masculine self. Towards the end of the movie, he is accepted by the society because now he fit into the societal norms and stereotypes. The whole point of this movie was to prove Radhakrishnan masculinity. Nyan Merikutti is a film directed by Ranjit Shankar, released in 2018, starring Jayasuriya as a central character. It is a successful story that can be credited to the forward-thinking minds of the cinema lovers. From the day Mathukutti born, he knows that he is a girl within a male body, despite the fact that people around her is unaware of the subject of LGBTQ, and they don't even know the differences between transsexual and transgender. She stood by her right and never gave up on her dreams. The first scene opens with a low gleefully. Merikutti accepts her beauty after surgery. There are various scenes which displays how general public react when they see a trans person. She is harassed publicly. No one comes forward to help her. Problems like finding a washroom and getting an Aadhaar card, driving license are still a distant dream for them. She rejoices every victory with an enchanting smile. There is a scene in the movie in which Merikutti says, this is not a man's world, not a woman's world either. It's a world of talented. So portrayal of queerness in films are changing. So do our society.
Films like these can light up the society about their collective sins and ignorant behavior on various subjects. People should understand that, like every human being, they also have the right to live in this world. Our society should be educated enough and stop harassing people belonging to LGBTQ community, and they should be treated normally like everyone. Let there be a slice of the universe where men don't judge, where love flows unhindered, and where doors fly free.